Disclaimer. Second channel link in description box. Jungkook tried to go after her, but some maids out there, which made him stop. He groaned in anger and punched the wall continuously, making his hand bleed a little. Jungkook, if you think I will leave you like that, then you are wrong, man. No matter what, I will mark you mine. Jungkook left her room and went outside in anger. He was now on the edge of his limits and it can be crossed any soon. Vine was already getting scared of him. Here, Vine was lost in her thoughts while working in living room. Mr. and Mrs. John were sitting on couch. Vine was thinking about what had happened in morning inside the room. How Jungkook came inside without any hesitation. The way he said all those words to her was making her nervous. It was about 5 days left, and after that, Vine will leave from this house and will go back to her village. She was thinking to bear it for just 5 days. It wouldn't hurt to let all this happen for 5 days, right? Vine was in her thoughts when Jungkook came downstairs. He looked at her and she saw him. Vine broke that eye contact in a second, making him more angry. He was already fuming in anger because of her that she was not ready to accept him, and while thinking all this that he was coming downstairs, a male maid was coming towards Mrs. John to give her tea, and just then he collided with Jungkook. Jungkook flinched and took a step back and looked at his shirt, which was wet with tea. The maid was now trembling in fear because he knew what he did. Jungkook glared at that person, and in a nanosecond he pushed him on the floor. Mr. and Mrs. John stood up, Vine's eyes widened. Servant, sir, I'm sorry, please. But Jungkook was already in anger and he decided to make him calm by taking out his anger on that servant. Jungkook started hitting that servant like a madman. Mr. and Mrs. John became shocked. Mrs. John, Jungkook stopped, but he was not listening. Vine was getting scared of his aura. She was looking at him in terror. The way he was beating that servant without stopping mercilessly was making him more bad in her eyes. Mr. John came forward and tried to pull Jungkook, but Jungkook pushed him also, making him stumble. But then he came back in his sense. Jungkook looked at his dad with red eyes. Mrs. John was standing with Mr. Jeon. They were looking at him shocked. Jungkook looked at Vine, who was already looking at him all scared. Soon Jungkook left from there and Mrs. Jeon asked maid to take care of that servant. Vine gulped in fear and then her eyes went on Mrs. John and to her surprise she was already looking at Vine. Vine became tense that why she was looking at her. Did she knew something regarding them? Without having another thought, Vine went inside the kitchen. Maybe Mrs. John saw Jungkook looking at Vine. Just like that, 2 more days were passed and Jungkook was continuously approaching Vine in her room, kitchen, and wherever he found her alone. But he was getting out of his mind because Vine was continuously ignoring him and wasn't accepting him. Vine was becoming restless, and because of that, she decided to tell everything to Mrs. John and left his job. Mrs. John, so you mean to say that Jungkook is troubling you and you want to leave the job just 3 days before? Vine nodded, making Mrs. John sign. Mrs. John, I was looking at the tension between you and Jungkook but wasn't sure about it. Mrs. John, don't worry, Vine. I respect your decision and it's okay if you want to go. I am happy that you trusted me and let me everything. I will be easy for me to handle him after this. Vine looked at Mrs. John and said, I'm sorry if my words offended you, but I hope you will understand me. Wine, once again, I'm sorry for leaving the work in the middle. Mrs. John smiled at her and said, "You don't have to be sorry. I'm sorry for my son's behavior." Wine, just like that, Wine took a leaf from the Miss John's house like that. Things were going out of control, especially Jungkook's behavior. Vine thought that this will be a good decision to leave Jeon's house like that, but she didn't knew that her desistance will only woke the beast made inside Jungkook. What will happen when he will come to know that Vine left? He is out of for the mission, but he will come back soon. Here, when Vine was packing her clothes because she was about to leave in half an hour, she thought that Jungkook will come late, but to her surprise, Jungkook had already came to the house, and now she was packing hurriedly to leave from there. Deep down, her heart was saying to listen to him, but his anger, rude behavior, and his obsession was making it worse. She never wanted a life partner like that. She was independent. She had tried to choose for herself, but he was not her type. Maybe she could give him a chance, but what he was doing was not right. Jungkook came out after taking a warm shower. He was drying his hairs, but her attention was on the door because he had asked her maid to make a cup of coffee for her. And he knew that Van will come because he only drink her handmade coffee, and everyone knows it in her house. So no one dares to do that. He was craving for her. He was craving to see her. His eyes were thirsty just for a single glance. And no, now he was becoming impatient because she wasn't here yet. He knew the time when she will step inside will he will cage her and will confess again, but she wasn't coming, which was making him insane. But soon he heard a knock on the door, making him smile a little. He gave the permission, and a person came inside, but to his surprise, it was another maid. He looked at her with a questionable look, making her tremble. "Maid, sir, your coffee." She was trying to hide her fear because recently Jungkook is behaving rude with all the maids to get Ryan's attention. "Jungkook, where is Ryan?" Jungkook asked in his signature deep and cold voice. "Maid, sir, Ryan. She didn't make the coffee because she is leaving from here today." Jungkook frowned because he knew Vine still had days, but then why was she leaving this soon? His eyes darkened when he came to know the reason. He looked at the maid with red eyes, making her scared. He made a fist and gritted his teeth, making his veins visible. "Jungkook, where is she?" "Maid, downstairs." Just as she completed, Jungkook dashed out of the room and shut the door with a loud thud. Only a thought that he was craving for her, wanted to make her his, and here she was trying to escape from him was going inside his mind. Only he knew what he will do now. Here Ryan took out her luggage and came in the living room. Mr. and Mrs. John were already there as Mr. John had told Mr. John everything as it was a sensitive topic. Ryan bid her last goodbye and turned around to leave, but her eyes went on John Jungkook. Jungkook was standing just near the stairs. He was glaring at her figure, who was already scared and was trembling. Jungkook was all wet with anger, like he was ready to burst on someone. Mr. and Mrs. John saw him and they became alert because they knew their son anger issues and craziness. Jungkook came downstairs fastly and came towards Vine, who was holding her bag tightly. Jungkook came and in a swift motion he took her bag and threw it away, making everyone shocked. Vine looked at her bag but then again looked at him when he held her hand tightly. Jungkook, I had enough of your drama now. Now you will see the real me. Jungkook said and started dragging Vine away with him. Vine was trying to remove his hand, but he was not letting her. And that's when Mr. John came forward. And he said, Stop, Jungkook. What do you think you are doing? How can you force someone to be with you? Jungkook daggered a sharp glare at Mrs. John. Jungkook, don't interfere in my business, Dad. She belongs to me, and no one is taking her away from me. Mr. John and others were shocked by this. Jungkook was talking like a maniac. Jungkook again started taking wine away. Mr. and Mrs. John tried to protest, but Jungkook didn't stop. With her wild power, Vine jerked his hand and removed his tight grip and went few steps back. Jungkook looked at her darkly. Jungkook tried to calm himself, but it was of no use. Mrs. John went towards Vine. Jungkook said, Jungkook, come here, Vine. He was trying to make it calm, but they all knew he was angry, and he became more when Vine shook her head in denial. Jungkook, I said, come here, Vine. No. Vine shouted on him just like he was doing it. Jungkook became more angry and went towards Vine. Mrs. John, Jungkook, stop all this. We never taught you all this. Jungkook looked at Mrs. John and said, obsession, affection, love. No one taught these things, but these are bloody feels. Jungkook, they grow on their own, and now I have developed these feelings. Call them whatever you want, but there is no way I am stopping here. Jungkook looked at Vine, who was having tears in her eyes. Jungkook, I have seen in her eyes that she feels for me too, but there is something stopping her. Jungkook, and I will make sure destroy that thing today. Vine looked at him being scared. She was a sensitive girl who never thought that this day will come in her life. Vine gathered herself and said, you are wrong. I don't like you. Did she said the truth? Did she lie? Because deep down she had something for him, but she didn't knew that her words did nothing but provoked him more. Jungkook came dangerously close to her and whispered, say that again. His eyes were red. Vine gulped and tried to say it again. Before she could finish, Jungkook picked her up and started going out of the house. Everyone was shocked. Mr. and Mrs. John tried to stop him, but it was of no use. His limits were crossed. His patience was out of control. Vine looked at his face, which was dead serious. She tried a lot, but he didn't stop. Time skipped after 2 hours. Mr. and Mrs. John were in living area, sitting all tensed up. Mr. John, I never thought that Jungkook can go do this limits. Mrs. John, I told you not to involve him in these activities. Look what he became now. Mr. John looked at his wife, who was crying silently. She was worried for Vine and her son. Her son shouldn't be like that. But all these mafia things made him like that. But that poor soul, Vine was suffering for no reason. Mr. John, God knows where Jin could have taken Vine now. They were discussing all this when their attention went on the entrance and saw them. Jungkook was coming inside while holding Vine's hand. Vine was crying silently, but Jungkook was looking normal. Mr. and Mrs. John stood up and went few steps towards them in confusion. Mrs. John, where did you took her, Jungkook? Jungkook looked at Vine, who was crying silently, and then at his mother. I did what I wanted. We both are married now. Mr. and Mrs. John eyes widened. They looked at him shocked. Mr. John, you did what? How can you? In a matter of seconds, Mrs. John slapped Jungkook on his face. Mrs. John, if I would have stopped you from going to that mafia training, you wouldn't have been like that. Jungkook looked at his mother. Mrs. John looked at Vine and took her hand away from Jungkook. She took her inside kitchen while Mr. John glared at Jungkook, but he seemed not affected. Inside the kitchen, Vine told Mrs. John everything, how Jungkook took her to the marriage court and there he forced her and threatened her by pointing gun on innocents. He even shot at someone's leg in that moment when Vine gave up and married him. Mrs. John couldn't believe all this. Mrs. John, don't worry, Vine. I promise that I will help you out. I will get you out of here. Vine was crying silently, and Mrs. John was giving her hopes that she will help him. Now, from this, Vine was changed. She was hating him more for what he did. Soon they heard Jungkook's voice, who came in kitchen. Jungkook, time's up, mom. Now I need my wife with me. Jungkook came towards Vine, who was glaring at him. Jungkook saw hate in her eyes, making his heart break, but he knew he will win her heart. Jungkook tried to hold her hand, but she backed off. Jungkook, don't force me again, Vine. Come, let's go. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second link in description box.